So my wife comes to me and asks me to make her a veg wrap for the kitchen. After only about a year of her badgering me, I thought enough was enough, so I got to making it. I start off by repurposing this 4x2 that was part of another project. This is actually pretty decent timber, and in today's money it will probably set you back anywhere between 20 to 200,000 million pounds. So with that in mind, I decided to cut it all up and make little wood babies, cutting it to size on the mitre saw and then ripping it down on the table saw. Make it rain, Billy boy. Right, with all those little golden nuggets all sized and in their nice little stack, I chose my bits and brought them over to the table. If you've not guessed already, I'm going to be making some crates. Look, I used offcuts to space the two parts. Clever that. He looks like he knows what he's doing, said no one ever. Whack that bad boy into submission. Yeah, take it, take it. Oh, hello everyone. Welcome to this week's episode of Spank It Till It Hurts. Right, bottom's on and these bad boys are done. Whoop whoop. So this is the point when editing shows me moving on without any delay, when in actual fact these were then sidelined for other paying projects and were constantly moved from one place of the workshop to the other, until I got bored of moving them and decided I'd better keep the trouble and strife happy and finish them off. So here I am, literally seconds after making the crates, cutting up metal. Wait, did he just say metal? Oh yes I did. It turns out that the wood I used earlier, which was in fact destined for these legs or side pieces, was used up for that other paying job I told you about. So I was a tad bit miffed to come into the workshop and remember that little fact. So out with a metal bandsaw and a nice little montage of me cutting some tube sections. Oh look, he's using that Evolution metal saw again. Yep, I don't normally like cutting metal this way because the last time I did, I ended up with burn marks from all the metal fragments that got thrown absolutely everywhere. But needs must, and I fancy giving it that second go as I always promised it I would. In actual fact, it worked pretty well and didn't throw up as many hot pockets as it had done. Maybe it was because I had it connected to the new R15 vacuum. God, I love that vacuum. Obviously not in the same way Dewey loved the vacuum from Scary Movie. Close, but not that close. With all them cut up, I better start welding them. I can hear you all now. That's not how to weld. Who taught you how to weld? God, you're pathetic. Well, all I've got to say is, thanks Mum for watching, but please don't keep commenting. What I'm saying is that I'm not a welder by any means. I have a new welder and I'm enjoying learning a new skill. And what you see here is the second time me using this welder. I've got a lot to learn. I'm enjoying myself, and that's what I do. I enjoy myself. Yeah. Oh, look how happy he is. Oh, don't interrupt him, Michael. He's having such fun. So what you're seeing now is the second attempt. I thought I'd try one out before filming the second. So what you see now is when I've actually practiced. I know, it's hard to watch, but it turns out right in the end. I promise. I want the crates to lean forward, so I ended up taking some angle iron and drilling some holes in them off camera, because let's face it, we all know what drilling looks like. I work out an angle I like the look of, then using this gorgeous little rosewood sliding bevel, I can lay the angle iron down ready for welding up. I guess you understand at this stage, I'm just having fun. Oh, Michael, look at his little face. He's a bloody idiot. He takes after your barmy lot. I don't know why I said that. My dad's not even northern. Being a cheapskate and not having anywhere to lean to act as my spray booth, I rigged up this cheeky little number. Okay. So it's a lump of wood between two bins. Whatever, I do what I want. That's it, screw it together, slap it on its rear and call it done. Happy wife, happy life and all that. Hope you've enjoyed this one, been a nice little bit of fun. Make sure to subscribe, like and hit me up on Patreon, all the links are down below if you fancy. fancy that kind of thing. Oh, does make me sound a little bit dirty though. Send me money and I'll play with my wood. Oh, dirty.